Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the EGR valve on your truck. First, let's prepare by gathering all necessary tools. You'll need a 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch ratchet, along with 8mm and 10mm sockets. A flathead screwdriver, penetrating oil and brake cleaner are also essential. Don't forget new gaskets and a torque wrench for precise installation. Safety first, so have your safety glasses and rubber gloves ready. Now let's get to the old valve. The EGR valve is located in a tight spot at the rear of the driver's side cylinder head. You might need to remove some air intake components for better access. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector by sliding its red tab and squeezing the flexible part. Next, remove the two 8mm bolts holding the exhaust hose, using penetrating oil if they are stubborn. Finally, take out the two 10mm bolts that secure the valve to the engine. With the old valve removed, it's time for the new one. First, meticulously clean all mating surfaces on the cylinder head and exhaust tube to ensure a proper seal. Place the new gasket onto your new EGR valve. Carefully guide the new valve into position and hand thread the two 10mm mounting bolts. Once hand tight, use your torque wrench to tighten these bolts to 20 foot-pounds for a secure fit. Almost done. Now, reattach the exhaust hose to the new EGR valve using its two 8mm bolts. Torque these bolts to 20 foot-pounds. Reconnect the electrical connector to the valve, making sure the red safety tab is securely locked into place. Finally, if you have a check engine light, disconnect your truck's negative battery cable for about 5 minutes to clear any stored codes. You've successfully replaced your EGR valve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.